Welcome. If you're tired of getting email notifications every time you receive a message on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable those email alerts so your inbox stays clutter-free and you can focus on what matters most. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings we'll need. Once you're in the app, head over to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture, which you'll find at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal Pinterest space, where you can see your boards, pins, and all your saved ideas. Now, look for the Settings menu. Tap on your profile picture at the top again to bring up more options. Here, you'll find the notification settings. Go ahead and tap on Notification. Inside the notification menu, you'll see several categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Social. Under Social, tap on Messages. This is where you control how you get notified about new messages on Pinterest. You'll notice a list of notification types, including push, email, and possibly SMS. To stop receiving email notifications for messages, simply toggle off the email option. Once you do this, Pinterest will no longer send you emails whenever you get a new message. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've taken control over your Pinterest notifications and stopped those message alerts from crowding your inbox. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to this menu and turn the email notifications back on. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Stay organized, stay inspired, and enjoy your Pinterest experience without the extra emails.